I recommend using electric scales to weigh your ingredients. Electric scales give you just a little bit more accuracy compared to a conventional spring scale. As we turn our scales on, and these ones are quite polite and say hello to us, we can see that it sets to 0 and we've got it set to grams already. We've got an empty container, an empty bowl, which we're going to use to weigh our chocolate. And as we put it onto the scales, it weighs that bowl. So what we can do is we can level this back to a 0 weight by using the tare button. It's normally denoted by a capital T. And what that does is that takes that weight of the bowl and it subtracts it from the weight so that we start at 0 weight again. So if we take our chocolate and we want 150 grams of chocolate, and as we reach 150 grams, we can stop just when we're about there. And we can see that we're just over, we've got 151.9 grams. So what we can do is we can just take a couple of pieces and just take them off. And now we've got 150.3. If I take one more off, that takes it down to 149.7. So what you'll find with all scales is that they have a tolerance level to them. So that's a measure of how accurate they are. So you won't necessarily always have 100% accuracy of the weight that you've got. And as a result of that, when I'm weighing produce for a recipe, if I can't get it absolutely spot on, I look to get as close as I can, but with it being slightly above the weight rather than being slightly below. So I'm going to add this single piece back in. And as a result, we've got 150.3 grams of chocolate for our epic chocolate brownie.